Future is right here in front of us. This evening is not just about looking back, it's about moving forward as well. That's why we are launching and we are announcing the launch of Dominguez Digital. Uh, so it's our bold step into the next chapter. Together with our consultant, Miss Janet Toral Asan. She's helping us with this project. Dominguez Digital combines the legacy with the agility of digital innovation. From building online presence to data-driven campaigns, creative content, analytics, AI-powered trainings, we're here to help brands not just survive, but truly thrive in the fast-changing digital world. But even as we embrace the future, our foundation remains the same. This company was built on values that will never go out of style. Integrity, innovation, professionalism, trustworthiness, and the highest quality of service. This is the Dominguez way that will continue to guide everything we do. And looking ahead, my hope is simple and yet profound. That Dominguez marketing continues to flourish, that it provides more opportunities not just for our team but to everyone we work with, that we do more meaningful work that makes a difference in business, in communities, and people's lives. And who knows, in the next 30 years, we will be celebrating the 60th anniversary. Kaya pa ba natin? But who knows? May this company outlive me. Who knows? Minsan founder, wala na, pero andun pa rin ang kumpanya. So tonight, celebrate kasi this is also a reunion for everyone. Even my high school friends are here. And everyone, reunion talaga to. Continue to enjoy the night. And cheers to the future. Cheers everyone. And may we call on the, tama ba ako, Rose? We call on the Dominguez, all Dominguez team. Past and present ba? Or the past and present, please, for a photo opportunity. Come on. Lahat daw pala muna.
Present.
Present. Sino sa taas? Ano po ang choreographer?